Half the world's population lives in poverty. 790 million people are chronically undernourished. 270 million children have no access to healthcare services. Do you think one person can make a difference? One man thought he could. His name was Dr. Albert Schweitzer. 100 years ago, Dr. Schweitzer and his wife committed themselves to Africa to help provide medical care in an area where their services were desperately needed. They started a hospital in Lamborghini where, through hard work, innovation, and their knowledge of medicine, they were able to make a difference by providing medical care to thousands of people. In 1940, the Albert Schweitzer Fellowship was founded to support Dr. Schweitzer's medical work by providing direct assistance to the hospital in Lamborghini. The fellowship expanded its mission in the 1970s to support medical students serving as Schweitzer Fellows working at the Lamborghini Hospital. In 1991, the Albert Schweitzer Fellowship launched its U.S. Schweitzer Fellows programs, which now support over 125 health professional students each year in direct service projects in their local communities. These students not only provide much needed assistance, they also inspire others to help make a difference. You don't have to travel to Africa to help the sick and the poor. In the United States, over 12% of our population lives in poverty. That's 37 million people.
I was excited when I heard about the chance to be a Schweitzer Fellow in Africa, and even more excited when I was picked to be a Schweitzer Fellow, and had this sense of going off to Africa where there are people from different cultures who don't have access to health care, and I could really make a difference for them. But in fact, in 4 years of Harvard Medical School, nobody had ever pointed out to me that all of that could be accomplished by walking up the street about 3 blocks into Roxbury up Mission Hill, where there are people from different cultures who didn't have access to health care that I could have helped.
A lot of people have led very normal lives, just like you and me, and for some reason they hit a stroke of bad luck and things turn around for the worse, and they ended up being on the street.
The course of one of these girls' lives really means a lot to me, because just seeing like what they've survived and what they have to deal with on a daily basis.
This passion for service is a lifelong commitment. Today, over 1,200 Schweitzer Fellows have contributed over 250,000 hours of service at hundreds of domestic community agencies. By 2008, the Albert Schweitzer Fellowship aims to at least double the number of new fellows to at least 300 per year, from 100 participating professional schools, providing more than 60,000 hours of service each year. As Dr. Schweitzer once said, example is not the main thing in influencing others, it is the only thing.